Alright, where's the remote? Can never find the remote around this house. So what happens is when you can't find the remote, now that I've got the AT&T A10 Remote Control that actually has a little ringer on it and a cradle, you can hunt for, there is the culprit under the couch. As you can see, it's a remote control just like you get with the UVerse system. But what's really cool, it's got a little speaker in the back, and it lives on the cradle. Oops. And you can put it back and it recharges. And of course it's got a clock. It's a real practical way to manage your remote. Good idea.